Sometimes I put on this lens and things just start happening, you know? Hi friends, welcome to my dramatically lit office. Today I want to share with you a photo walk that I went on to a beach with a pier. And I wandered around into the evening with my Sony a6400 and a 16 to 35mm f4, as well as a 70 to 200mm f4. And the crop sensor on this camera allowed for a tighter focal range than what I would get with a full frame. Also, if you would like to get a discount code on my upcoming Lightroom preset collection, please feel free to subscribe to my newsletter, links below. With all that said, enjoy. Am I in JPEG? All right, it is evening time. I've come to a rather populated area, busy with people wandering around, busy with birds. Let's see what we can find. Got a pier. We gotta pay $20 to go on that pier. That's normally how it works. Okay, maybe 5, 10, 15, 17. Oops, sorry guys. Hit you right in the head. I love the burst on this thing. For racing, that's very helpful. I've been really enjoying the extra reach I have on this lens with the crop sensor. It's a fun focal range for me. What would be fun is to set up a tripod right here and try. Oh no! Did it crack? Okay, good. Yeah, a long exposure of just people moving around in front of this would be really fun. I'm missing my diffusion filter this evening, guys. I once again forgot to put it in my bag. I'm just gonna double check. Make sure. Yep, not in there, not in there. Well, that's sad. That's fun. That's cool. Have to be careful beside streets here. Floridians don't really see the need to slow down when there's a person in the road. Oh, that moped would have been a nice addition to that photo I just took.
Especially if you walk in, I'd say,
Thanks for making room, guys. I think I got parking patrol watching me. What are you gonna do? Give me a parking ticket? Jump cut to me going to jail and then getting a parking ticket because I couldn't make it back to my car. That's how they get you. Danger, high voltage. Up the stairs. Let's go way up. Okay, it's fun. Get that sign out of there. Well, they got cameras all over this place. Probably for people like me. That's okay, I have cameras all over the place too. All right. Yeah. Oh boy, I might get my feet wet this evening. Cool. A little bit of sea foam. Oh, look at this light. Look at this light. I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm switching lenses. This pier is just asking for it. So we're gonna go to the 70 to 200. We're gonna do it very carefully, considering I am in fact on a beach. So we're gonna turn the camera off because that's supposed to help. And then I'm going to get this other lens ready, and then I'm just going to, here, let's see it. Okay, there we go. Hey, look at it. All right, we're gonna boop, and we're gonna go, oh, I should have found the white dot beforehand. We're gonna boop, boop, minimal damage. It's 70 to 200 time, baby. Now, we also must remember that this crop sensor is going to give this lens a little extra throw as well. Oh, let's not shoot it an 80th of a second. Not with this lens. We're going to go up to 400. We'll probably go a little lower, but all right, let's center up the pylon. Oh, almost got wet. He's not in the best position right now, this guy. Oh, there we go. All right. Something in there might work. Yeah, that's cool. Wow, cool. Trying to keep those guys on the left out of it for this particular shot. My welcome them in for others. Oh, dude. Wow. Sometimes I put on this lens and things just start happening, you know? Fun. Got a bunch of people fishing. Birds. Oh, fun. Cool. Whenever a bird flies into your frame, just take a photo. Unless you're shooting film and you know you don't want to waste the money, I understand. Okay, we got somebody coming through with a fishing rod. That's nice. Okay, oh, please stop. Oh, man, okay. That's all right. Good walking shot. I'll take it. Very nice. Oh, this is sick, guys. Oh, the end seems like it's all dilapidated. Let me get a shot of it so you can see. That's a vibe. I didn't want to necessarily get the waves breaking in the shot because I wanted to feel sort of like out at sea. This girl. Cool. Alright, we got some interesting folks here. Let's see. Alright, good positioning for these guys. Very nice. Get out of the way, guys. Oh, no. No selfies. Yeah, just having a nice little conversation. Kind of cut off a little bit of the bottom of the thing. Oh, no, they're leaving. Just like that, man. Just like that. He's like a 1.8 and a diffusion filter at the moment. Alright, alright. Pull back a little bit. Dude, I just love light shining on water. And just the general, a point of light in a dark area with water, with an ocean. At this point, I'm regretting that I didn't bring my 1.8 as well. It's gonna be quite dark. It's a nice vibe though. Yum. Smells a little bit like fish. That really adds to the ambiance. Oh boy, can I get out this way? Oh gosh, this would literally be the perfect photo walk for the diffuser. Okay. Switching back to the 16 to 35. Pay no mind, patrons. Just fiddling with a backpack in a dark corner. A very, very common pastime. Always have to make sure my bag's zipped up. All right, we can now pull the shutter speed all the way back to a 50th. Let's see what's up here. Oh, wow. Oh, this must be like a living area. Look at these bikes in here. Alright, well, let's go over, all the way over and see. Well, that was interesting. No, that's cool. Let's see. Smoky workspace. Come on. Hi. How you doing? All right, I'm out of here. Okay, that's it. I hope you found it inspirational and enjoyable. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched, please feel free to share them below, or questions. Please feel free to share them below. I love to talk with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, there's a like button for that. And if you would like to see more of my videos, there's a subscribe button for that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.